Did you know that one of the biggest and greatest tools for making money online is a mobile phone that is connected to the internet? In this video, I'll go through numerous ways you can earn money using your phone that is connected to the internet. Stay tuned till the end of this video if you want to learn about various websites and methods for making money with your phone. We'll go over many strategies and ideas for making money online with only your smartphone. Online surveys and market research are the first ways to earn money on your phone. The benefit of this method of earning money is that there is no upfront payment required. All you have to do is invest a lot of time in filling out or responding to various questionnaires from various brands and businesses about their products and services. By downloading different surveys websites or survey apps, you can diversify this way of earning money on your phone. Additionally, engaging in additional profitable activities such as making referrals to various survey websites is another option. To get started with this, all you need is your phone. A computer or laptop is not required. Several survey apps enable anyone to participate and earn money and various benefits, so it is accessible to everyone worldwide. However, I can refer to online surveys as market research if you are unfamiliar with them. It involves responding to inquiries about various brands' products and services on various online platforms. The first method of earning money on your phone without spending any money is through that. Playing mobile games is the second way you can earn money on your phone, as more games are created every day and are willing to pay you for your time. This is one of the ways that online gaming is expanding right now. By watching short ads in between gameplays and other activities, they are generating revenue, or you are exchanging products and services with them. This is yet another useful tactic to earn money or use your smartphone efficiently, especially because many individuals play a lot of games online for free. Just consider whether you can generate money from the next game before picking up your phone to play it. If not, just be aware that a game that is similar to or of a similar type can compensate you for that. Downloading investment-related apps is the third technique to earn money on your phone. You must conduct some research to determine which investment apps are the best ones for you, because there are several ones, some of which cater to people all over the world and others which are specific to your country. While this strategy does need a small initial investment, I believe it to be one of the greatest ways to monetize your smartphone. The excellent thing is that many of these apps don't require you to start by spending tens of thousands of dollars. With minimal capital, you may gradually expand your investments and build up your portfolio, increasing your chances of both earning and generating a profit. The next approach to earning money is by performing various gigs, small tasks, or micro tasks, simply using your smartphone. There are other apps where you can do various gigs, such as Clickworker, Microworkers, and many others. This is another sector that is expanding. You can earn money by filling out these ads for various gigs. Online jobs could involve completing surveys, looking for specific images, annotating videos, and taking short videos and images. You might have other jobs that require you to travel to the city, visit malls, and shop at stores, among other things. You can perform small tasks for payment using several apps like Field Agent. Since it doesn't require much effort from you, it's another option to make money using only your phone. You must check your email, as well as use your phone to capture and send images, and then earn money. Another approach to utilize your mobile phone more effectively is through this. Before we go any deeper, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you've loved the video thus far. And if you found this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. The next idea is becoming a freelancer. Unless you are working as a freelancer on a project that references a computer, you are not required to have one. Many tasks that you can complete as a freelancer can be completed on a mobile device. The good news is that numerous freelance marketplaces, including Fiverr, Upwork, LinkedIn, and Glassdoor, have mobile applications you can download and install to search through various opportunities. You can take advantage of many of these opportunities on your phone. One of the most effective instruments you'll ever have to establish a source of revenue is a mobile phone that is connected to the internet and equipped with this information. As a result, even if you only have a mobile phone, consider freelancing. The following concept is to launch a YouTube channel. I've used my phone to access YouTube before. I used to use my phone to record videos, edit them all, perform SEO, post my videos, and receive comments. I believe that editing was simpler back then because all of the work was done on my phone and there was no audio or video moving involved. This is yet another way to create a reliable source of income. One of the best income streams you can have with just a phone, in my opinion, is this one. Start with your phone. If you've been wanting to launch a YouTube channel but feel as though you lack the tools, there are a ton of resources and apps that you can use on only your phone to expand your YouTube channel, including editing tools, editing apps, and SEO tools that you can use right on your phone. Playtesting or game testing is the next concept. The app stores are flooded with new games that have been created by legitimate businesses. Before they are released to the app stores, they must be tested, which is why so many businesses are developing jobs that include testing apps or video games. They're prepared to pay you to test out those various apps, and all you have to do is provide input on how you like the game or the app. A great example of such a platform is Playtest Cloud, which employs people to test various advertisements on their mobile phones. Another one is called Game Tester, and Lionbridge has partnered with it or acquired it. One of the largest companies that have been in existence for a while is Lionbridge. They feature a testing platform where you can try out various games. It's yet another fantastic way to use your smartphone to make money, and you'll also enjoy some of these games and apps a lot. There are typically possibilities of people all around the world to test apps on their mobile devices. These are a few of the chances you have to earn money using your phone. And that's it. If you love similar content like this, take a look at my other videos. And if you like it, please smash the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. If you have further questions, feel free to comment down below. See you in the next video.